Hello guys, it's me Abdikor FX Mentor. This video I am going to share with you gold breakdowns. I want to show you some information and life analysis about the gold, guys, with Malaysian SNR concept. So let us go on weekly. So weekly storyline is so important, guys. Weekly, I always start from the weekly. We have a breakout here. You guys see we got a breakout. This is RBS. Okay, this is RBS, and price push it up. We got trend line plus SNR. Also there's another breakout on a weekly. Alright, there's another breakout which is resistance, it becomes support. The price was respecting this SNR multiple times. Price then broke here and only did not came back. It create base here. That base was a new resistance, and then price finally break again that resistance. So that's only a breakout, so we don't know what it will be, so let us wait. So now we have next level of a weekly, which is here. Next level. Right, next level on weekly. So let me save. Alright, so we have weekly support, we don't have weekly resistance. Let us go daily. That means weekly is still bullish. So we have yesterday candle, it was yesterday's candle created resistance. Okay, so this is the ABEX, SR. We hope this is ABEX. Yeah, ABEX SNR. And then today's candle broke below this SNR, which is gap SNR. So the gap SNR broken. This is open close. Okay, gap SNR. Gap SNR. Gap SNR. Alright. So safe. Gap SNR. So now price broke the gap SNR and then it's retesting. So it's possible price can still continue down because we don't know that this price will close there or not. All right, we don't know, so we have to wait what the price will do, but I'm still expecting price to go up. There is a miss there. So I use X. There is a miss. All right, and you can see price is still pushing to retest this level. Then it can still go down or it can go up. So let us refine it. We don't have any daily rejection yet, So there is no storyline. This was a formation of this apex SNR. So it's not really a rejected level, okay, rejected zone. So we are expecting today, it's a Friday, the last day of the week. We're expecting how this candle will close tonight so that we will get the next week storyline where the price will go next week. All right, and then let us check what's happening on H4, one of lower time frames. So there is SNR here, H4. Before I go through here, there is a miss here and price rejected here, rejected. All right, that's a rejection. We also have this storyline. After price rejected there, we got a breakout, maybe one time frame lower breakout. You guys see when price reject here, H4, price broke down and then break out here, okay, price break out, and then it pull it back by mitigating this decisional level. All right, the decisional level, then price sell off from that area. So all right, break out and then save here. All right, there is decisional level here. All right, maybe you understand what I mean, decisional level, where to enter the price. All right, so the price started falling down and it's really selling off from there. All right, now we know what's happening on a 1 hour. 1 hour price is really selling aggressively, but we have to know why price is buying now. So we have to go back H4. H4. All right, and then make out as a rejection. The price is still going up again. So now we can see price is pushing up, right? Price is pushing up. All the fresh levels that we have is very important. So we got fresh SNR. Okay. All right. Fresh SNR. All right, we have SNR, fresh SNR there. We also have gap SNR here. We also have gap SNR here. Okay, gap SNR, and we also have engulfed sell, H4 engulfed sell. For engulfed sell here. So EG sell is ready. All right, we can inline this trend line, which is like a continuation trend line, a reversal trend. No, continuation trend line. Should be here. We don't know how it will be in line with the price touches this SNR. There is a breakout here where we call also support becomes resistance. Support becomes resistance. All right. That makes sense. Support becomes resistance. So this market is going up. So it may take this SNRs. So there is another SNR here. lots of SNRs, so let us see if price respects there, or if price wants to break above that area. So there we have since that was resistance broken, then becomes support. Support becomes resistance again. So now let us talk about this movement, this rejection. We can also get this dominant engulfing trend line at maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour. That's why price is buying. Alright, we got a trend line there on high time frame, but on this low time frame there is also another trend line. Okay, another trend line, and that's why price is buying. So the possibilities are still, we are in bullish on higher time frame, but lower time frame is seeking for to sell. All right, so we're not really making our decisions from lower time frame. We always flow the higher time frame. So the maximum time frame that we wait some confirmations for today is H4 or 4 hour time frame. Let us wait the trend line, not now, we will wait it, but this is our setup. This is our analysis for this market. Expect the price to reverse it from here and then take liquidity and then buy from some areas of here, or let it go inside this area of multi-time frame SNR plus breakout, engulfing, trend line, and then sell off. Let us find if there is higher. Where is the higher frame? Let us make this one. All right. So the high volume is this area. Okay, this area is really a zone where we can always look for opportunities. So whenever price comes back this area, we can look for opportunities. MAC, if there is liquidity concept, we are expecting sweep of liquidity there. If price comes back, we can expect, because we already got rejection, breakout, this will be a nice pullback of H4, and then we're gonna have a sell. If price comes below this area, we will look for a buy, because we can see that this sell is over. But if we want to continue for the sell, price must reach this level. I hope that this video makes sense, and yeah, thank you for watching.